What is the pot sticker?
Pot sticker.
He gave me one piece scallion pancake for free as well.
Surfing.
Did you do some surfing? It is not the high-speed railway HSR, but it's the second fastest. This is our Taroko train. Not really sure if this is a flush though. Bao, Gua Bao, Shalong Bao.
Coach, no.
Curtain.
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Go.
Yay. Hey, I got it right. Alright, this is somewhere here around the corner. This is supposed to be the place, I think. I think they're closed. Yeah, they're closed?
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Sorry.
That's okay. Cheers. Yeah, shisha. So they are closed. So much for waking up early. Good morning. I'm here in Taitung, and today is going to be a full day. I'm actually thinking of taking a train north and making my way back to Taitung. There's also a balloon festival in the evening. International Balloon Festival happening in Louis Highlands, not far from here. So we may check it out if we have time on the way back. But this region is full with rice fields, beautiful scenery, mountains, rivers. So I have one day here. So let's try to get a sense of all that in one day. This was the bus I was supposed to take yesterday in the opposite direction. But I took the wrong direction. Wow, these look interesting. Some sort of big ovens. Wonder what they are cooking inside. Alright, this probably is the place. This is the only place on the corner. Oh yeah. There's scallion pancake, Chinese omelette, and pot sticker. Black tea. I'll get the Chinese omelette.
Okay.
Yeah. And what is the pot sticker?
Pot sticker.
It's the. Oh, it's okay. I'll try one.
Okay.
One. Milk tea. This one. Yeah. Yeah.
Ice.
Ice. Yeah. Yeah.
50.
50. All right. Here's our Chinese omelette and soy milk.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Milk tea.
Okay. Okay. Shisha. All right. Here's the making scallion pancakes over there. Yeah. All right. I got the chili sauce. Ooh, nice. That's the soy milk tea there. And Chinese. This is actually fantastic. I had this before. So it looks like a different version though. The one I had was before like some sort of like flour wrapped, but this is actually kind of fried as well. The other one was just like pan fried. This looks more crispy. I wouldn't know. Mine, there's some youtiao, the dough bread. All right. Time to struggle with the chopsticks again. Alright. That is a lot of chili. Let's see. Dropping stuff. Very nice actually. And I'm going to take the other sauce. I don't know what the brown sauce is. Alright, this thing is delicious, so I went ahead and bought one more. And he gave me one piece scallion pancake for free as well. I've been just told that only they do only two items on the menu. These two. And they seem to be doing pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, it's pretty carb heavy breakfast. The scallion pancake is also very different because it's not normally like flaky and fluffy, right? This is more like crispy, a different kind. But delicious. Share. Bye bye. Thank you. All right. How was a refreshing breakfast? For a time to. I'm thinking of going to Yuli. It's about like an hour and a half, but there's like a bridge there that which I wanted to see. Or maybe just until Chishan, which is again a place where there's like rice fields and stuff. But we'll see. There is that's the somewhere there is the Taitung night market. There is a express train right now in about like 50 minutes, but I won't be able to get that. Purely because express trains require a seat to be reserved, and most of the time the very next ones are usually booked full. This one is at 11, so I still have like half an hour, but I don't think I'll be able to get on that one. But if not, we'll go to Chishan. Where is this bus departing from though? Right, somewhere over there. So the first impressions of Taitung is that public transport is not the best in terms of like bus inside the city. A lot more people actually rent bicycles like them and go around. I'm not very confident on bicycles, that's why I'm not doing that. I think I need to be on the other side. There's a grocery store here, like mung beans and stuff. I'm just curious. Oh, these are mushrooms. They have garlic, onions, dried mushrooms. What are they for? We have more here. What do they have? Oh, more candy. Candy shop. Candy. Mia. feel like I want to buy one. But, oh, it's very hot. Yeah, I think this is the market. This is a bus stop here. Quite unassuming. But yeah, let's wait for the bus. Station? That one?
So where are you going?
Taitung Station.
Taiwan Station.
Yeah.
Train station.
Yeah, the rail train station.
Train station. This is going to Zhishan. But what number are you get?
8109.
A109. This one is 816.
Oh, okay, there is number. Okay.
You can see that number.
Okay, okay.
So what's the time you will come here?
Uh, so I want to take one of these.
10:31.
10:30. Oh, okay, okay. Oh, sure. Are you from here?
No, I'm living local Taiwan. Hsinchu. Do you know Hsinchu?
I know Taipei, Shulin, Jiafen.
Taipei, Taichung, Hsinchu is here.
Oh, in between.
Taipei and Taichung.
Oh, okay. You were visiting.
Yes.
Good?
Yeah, the weather is good and the food is good and the living price here is much lower than maybe Taipei or Taichung.
Oh, Taichung is more costlier. Yeah, it's true. But good infrastructure.
Oh, yes.
I've been to Taichung.
Oh, you
I went
from
to-
Taichung? Oh, you have been Taichung.
你在 O 型概念哦，太晚了。
下一站，蜀东医院
Shaky, shaky.
Hospital Hospital。
You alright? Where are you from?
Germany.
Germany. We're in Germany.
Southern border to Switzerland.
No, not a clue. I've been to Berlin and Hamburg.
Yeah, it's pretty far away. Like I'm closer to Zurich in Switzerland than to.
So you work in Switzerland by any chance? No. A lot of people do that.
Yeah.
And French people also. Yeah.
Where are you from?
Originally from India, but I'm from the UK. Yeah. And you're I made a friend. You're where are you going?
I'm going to Berlin today.
Moving?
More.
More there. Okay. What did you do here?
I went to the balloon festival.
Was it good?
It was nice.
Yeah. In the morning or in the evening?
In the evening.
Okay.
Yesterday.
Yeah, I tried to wake up early in the morning, but I couldn't. So I probably do the same.
Yeah, before I was in Tulan, it's close to here for surfing.
Did you do some surfing? I don't know how to surf, so there's no point in me going there.
There's beginner courses.
Yeah?
Transformer substation.
Maybe I should. How good do you have to be in swimming? Do you need to be a pro?
No. I've
Okay.
seen people who are surfing there who couldn't even swim, so
Really?
it's stupid in my opinion, but you can do it.
Well, that's dangerous,
But
isn't it?
It is. But you don't have to be a professional swimmer. I mean, you have your board next to you. So if you can swim more or less, that's fine. If you know how to swim, that's alright.
Yeah, I'm okay, but I'm not like a pro.
Yeah, but that's, I mean, me neither. As long as you know how to swim, it's okay.
So, this is a bus to go to downtown as well. But I took the wrong direction one yesterday. That was the only thing. Wrong thing that I did, mistake. Hello, can I get a ticket to Yuli? Yuli?
Oh, okay.
Is there a
At what time is it doesn't leave?
11:50?
Oh, 5.
Is it Taroko?
Taroko.
Okay, I'll get one.
Can I pay with card?
154. Okay. One. All right. I'm able to get the express actually. So I should be there in an hour or so. 谢谢. Okay, thank you. 谢谢. All right, that's the ticket. Yeah, are you on the same?
I think 11:05.
Yeah, 11:05.
Yeah.
Which car?
Oh yeah, true. They give you seats, right?
Yeah.
I always forget that.
You can't actually travel in this express trains for without.
Yeah. I'm at car 2.
Ah, on the other end. What time is it now? Okay, 10 more minutes. And I'm going to try one of the tilting trains here called Taroko Express. It is a fast express. I'm taking the train to Yuli. While we are at the station, you can see a canoe built by one of the indigenous tribe here, which is on display at this station. And yeah, very interesting station. There's only 2 tilting trains right now in Taiwan, I think. One is the Taroko and the other one is the Puyuma Express, as far as I'm aware. There was one more, but it is not anymore a what do you say, a tilting train. It is a normal train which reach up to like 120 kilometers per hour, which I took yesterday, but this one is supposed to reach 150. It is not the high-speed railway HSR, but it's the second fastest, 150 kilometer per hour Taroko Express. I guess Puyuma also gets up to that speed, but not really sure in reality how fast it gets, but we'll have a look at our speedometer, and it usually is displayed on the displays on the train how fast they are going, so we'll check it out. It's only an hour and a half journey for me from Taiwan to Yuli. Okay, 谢谢. Huh?
Tell them hello from me.
Oh, yeah, what's your name?
Daniel.
Daniel.
Yeah.
Hash.
Hash?
Yeah. Nice to meet you, man. Oh, I think our train is ready. All right, nice to meet you. I don't think I will see you anytime soon. Yeah, have a nice trip.
Which one do we have to go?
I have to. This is 3. You have to go that. 2 is that way. I have to go this way. Cheers. Bye bye. What a nice chap from Germany. This is our Taroko train. 7:45. We are at car 6. All right, 10:57 is the time now. 8 more minutes to go. It's another fancy, like cute train over there as well. I wonder where that is going. As it looks like a local train. Yeah, mine is this one. The last carriage. No, second last. These are the toilets. Is this vacant? Ooh, it smells really nice. So this is the toilet of the tilting train of Taiwan. Nice. Baby changing and everything. Right. I need to take a leak. Not really sure if this is a flush though. Alright, this is the inside of the train. The only thing that I'm not a big fan of is that there is no table here. I was actually thinking of getting some work done. But large leg space. Look at that. Oh, I'm short. But even for a little tall person. Right on time. Bye bye, Taroko Express. I have to say, it was fast, but it wasn't as comfortable as the other trains. I think it was a bit more shakier than usual. The other trains here are like really, really cute with the blue one, these ones. Where is this going? Shaofeng. That's where it is going. Anyway, I don't think I was able to experience the tilting per se. Yeah, I like the other trains that I rode. Yeah, I rode better. Ooh, nice. Where are these? Where is this hanging bridge? This is what I want to go see. I'm not really sure there is flowers at this time. These probably are the old electric trains. Shishe. All right. Small town here. All right, now let's plot our next steps. There's a taxi stand over there. I'm not really sure whether I can walk to this place, but maybe we'll take the taxi. This is a Yuli train station. We are in the Yuli Township, small town in the Hualien County. All right, let's try to cross this without getting. Right, I think I'll go to a coffee shop and maybe drink a tea or something, and then go take the taxi because it's scorching hot now. Probably not a very good idea to be out and open in the fields. We'll see. Eateries. Oh yeah, I think this is like a cosmetics department store. I've seen this in other places as well. These places tend to be really huge inside. Very chill town. I think American Grandma's Kitchen over there. You will never go hungry in Taiwan. I need to go over there. People are so friendly here. I love it. Anyway, those look like houses, colorful ones at that. This is a coffee shop that I found on Google Maps. Is it open? That is yet to be. Probably not. Is it? Yeah, it's open. Meow, hello. You open, right? Coffee.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sit down, please.
Thank you. Shisha. All right. Let's.
因为我真的这样已经很大了。第四页有一个人取的，可以给他直接第四页。
All right. Okay, I will have a
为什么看到你会有点
iced latte.
Okay.
Iced latte, ice.
All right.
Thank you very much. Shisha. Whew. It's hot. Very hot. Very quiet here. Not a lot of people, so. Huh? Only 1, 2. Empty.
Yes.
Very homely environment here. So I'm gonna get some work done. Maybe I'll have a cake as well. Do you have cake? What cake is that?
What cake?
Yeah,
Lemon bar.
I'll have one too.
Lemon bar.
For me too.
Oh,
Yeah.
OK。那上面有一点点类似。
All right. 谢谢。
可以先喝上面的 cream。cream。
Cream. Ah,
cream
okay. You have cream.
对，drink first。
Ah, okay. Drink the cream first.
对。
Ah, okay. 谢谢。All right.
还有，就是单字而已的啊。
这样不错啊。
我很想说，他如果中文很流利的话，不知道多好。
知道吗
It's good.
Chinese, yes, okay.
Huh?
Chinese.
What?
Speaking Chinese.
Taiwanese.
Yeah.
谢谢，你好。That's all I know.
我们也可以学。I know.
Guabao. Guabao. Shalom bao.
小笼包，小笼包。
All right. Let's try this cake. Orange cake.
你那种棒还蛮好吃的。
柠檬棒嘛，因为上面有一些水果嘛，有水果跟没水果不太一样。
Ni hao. I mean, it's not going to get any less hotter. Yeah, I'm just going to go to the bridge and proceed to the next place. Otherwise, I'm running out of time. I do have to be in Luye before 7 to see the balloons. So 5 p.m. to 7. That's when that happens. There's so much coin. I haven't actually taken a taxi before here in Taiwan. I'm not usually a fan of taxis because they always overcharge, especially if you're a tourist and when they see me walking around with the camera. So yeah, usually stick to things like ride hailing if it is available, but not these kind of taxis. But I hear that they do have meters, and so maybe I should be fine. Hello,
哪里？
this kitchen
课程啊？
kitchen
哎
here?
哎，
Okay.
来，
Come that way. Okay. Kitchen.
课程。
Kitchen. Okay. Approaching the bridge. Oh, it's surrounded by rice fields. Maybe get down somewhere here. Stop here?
靠边哈。
Yeah. Yeah.
行，
Yeah. Okay. How much? 115.
115。
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. All right, get down. Okay. Ooh. All right. In the middle of nowhere, really. I probably won't be able to get another taxi back to the town. That's really it. But yeah, let's have a walk around and see what's here. It looks like I can actually, if you are on bicycle, you can cycle through the paddy fields over here. It's really nice. But it looks like they have taken all the, rice thingy, or they are yet to plant. We have mountains on that side. Smells of prawns here. Real nice. You can see the treads of a tractor on the soil over there. So this is the kitchen bridge. So it actually looks kind of beautiful, especially when there are like trains on the bridge. People come here to take photos. Yeah, but it should be alright, because even if there are no taxis going back there, it's only a kilometer walk. So the only thing is, it's not the distance, it's the hotness that actually matters. Ooh, look here. Fields. What does that say over there? Mountains on both sides. This is a bridge. I should probably get a cap or something moving forward. This is how they irrigate. It's a proper agriculture land. Hey! I was lucky. Not really sure how to frame this though. Alright, let's see if we can get a ride. But before that, look at this. So that's what it would look like once the rice plants things have been planted. I'm pretty sure this is private land, so but we can probably, it's okay to watch it from here. Hey, I got it right.